Holy schmoly, guys. Man, he just clobbered it too. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. It's a beast. He is a big mama jammer here. That's what I'm talking about. Man, he is just thick. A big old freaking smallmouth. Tearing them up, guys. Tearing them up. I can't wait to get into it. Let's get him back on a good release. Ooh, doggy. And that is a good thing, smallmouth. Okay, I'm going to get him back. Give him a kiss. Thank you, Jesus. Woo. Holy moly. And I am all slimy. My hands are slimy. Now my lips are slimy. I kissed that fish.